Hello everyone. First of all, let's check the inspirational picture. A lot of people would like to make the backdrop with the hanging some flower on the top, like this and this. But a lot of people don't know how to hang on or make the top flower on the backdrop. Today's tutorial just want to show you 3 ideas with 3 of our material to make the top flower like this. Here we go. Hello everyone. In fact, this is not a step-by-step tutorial. This video is much more like a classified video because I'm going to sort out all my old tutorial, which by using different material to make the flower backdrop. Look, using different material, put on the flower and then hang on the backdrop stand to make the flower backdrop and decorate the arch. And then index to those separate old tutorial. If you are interested, let's go ahead. Look, the first material is our flower support wire. Let's watch the footage I cut from my old tutorial. First of all, I need this wire. I call it flower support wire. There is iron wire inside, so you can make any string you want. And look at this. There's a lot of spike on the wire. So we can put the flower head. Just put the flower head on the spike will be okay. Okay. It's very simple. Okay, I will show you the effect. I already made a flower wire. This is the flower wire I use on a lot of my other creation idea. Okay, back to our video. If you are interested to know the detail about using this material to decorate the arch or make the flower backdrop, you can check the old tutorial by click here. Okay, let's check the next material. The next material is the flower foam and the plastic flower holder. Let's watch the footage cut from my old tutorial. We'll need to use our flower foam holder. Like this. Just put the flower foam on the holder will be okay. Just put it on will be okay. Okay. The next step, we need to take the flower foam on the stand. First of all, look like this. Use a string. Go through the holder. And this end like this. And then put the string like this. Again. Actually, it's very easy, not special. Just try your best to tie the flower foam with the holder tight. Okay, the other side. I will tie flower foam onto the stand. Okay, completed. I tied all the foam on the stand. Okay, very simple. Just follow your design. Just put the flower on the foam. Will be okay. Okay, pretty. Let's check the effect. Our badger, flower badger with leaf. Okay, back to this video again. If you are interested to know the detail about using this material, you can click here to the old tutorial. Okay, let's watch the last material. The last material is the floral foam chain. Let's watch the footage. I take one flower foam and use a string to tie the string on this side and this side of the foam. Okay, so the next step, we need to tie the string on each of the stick. And then this end and the following foam. And for your information, using this zip tie instead of straight will be much more fast and much more easy. But I don't have so many zip tie on hand, so I have to use the straight. Okay, completed by making the top flower base. The next step, just put on the flower will be okay. Okay, put on the flower, very simple. Just use our flower head and the soft stem. Put it on the flower head and put on the flower foam. Also the leaf. Put it on the stem and then put on the foam. That will be okay. Okay, completed. I just put the flower on the base and tie on the stand. Okay, let's back to this video again. So if you are interested to watch the detail about how to using this material to make the flower backdrop and decorate arch, please click here to the old tutorial. This is today's tutorial. For sure, it's not a creative video, but I think it's very important because it could help to guide to the to some of my old tutorial. I think it's very important because it shows you the basics idea to make the decoration. Okay, thank you for your watching. Bye bye.